Welcome back. This program is to print a right-angled triangle pattern made of asterisks. 1. Understanding nested loops for patterns. Pattern printing requires two loops. The outer loop controls the number of rows, or the height of the pattern. The inner loop controls the number of elements, or the width, printed in each specific row. 2. The right-angled logic. For a right-angled triangle, the number of asterisks printed in any row must equal the current row number plus 1. Since the outer loop variable I goes from 0 to 4, the inner loop needs to run from 0 up to, but not including I plus 1. 3. Analyzing the output. When I is 0, the inner loop runs once. When I is 1, the inner loop runs twice. This continuous growth ensures the staircase shape of the right-angled triangle is formed. Notice the use of the end argument in the inner print statement to prevent a new line until the row is finished. To summarize, the fundamental principle of pattern printing is that the inner loop's range is dynamically dependent on the current iteration of the outer loop. For a right-angled triangle, the inner loop runs I plus 1 times. Our next lecture 10.08. Print pyramid pattern. See you there.